Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to allow sites to play protected content that are protected by copyright on OpenGX. So to be able to do this, from the home menu you will open up your settings like Page Alternative, and the P alternative and P is the keyboard shortcut that opens up your settings. Then that is OpenGX settings. So you scroll all the way down to see site settings, click on site settings. Then scroll down until you see additional content settings, and by the right click on the arrow and then scroll down to see protected content IDs. Now, to play content protected by copyright, sites may need to use a content protection service, so make sure it is turned on so that sites can play the protected content. Sites may also need to recognize your device using an identifier, so make sure this is also turned on so that a site can use identifiers to play protected content. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.